I got here some fresh ass ingredients for the night, bro. Got here some lemon and rosemary. I'm gonna put this motherfucker in the chicken later on. And I got here some granulated garlic. Kailangan siguro pag ano papakita natin ganyan eh, no? And some lemon and rosemary, brother. If you don't have lemon and rosemary, brother, go ahead and buy some calamansi out there in the wet market. And some, you know, rosemary out there at the grocery store, and that's it. So good. Some liquid seasoning out here for the chicken. Some pepper. Put this motherfucker out here in the chicken, bro. Damn. Wala ka bang pepper na ano dyan? Anyway, I got here some salt too, brother. There you go. There's some salt. And I'm gonna put this salt in the chicken, bro. This melted motherfucking butter right quick. Is I'm gonna put this motherfucking salt in the melted butter. And I'm gonna put all these motherfucking ingredients out there. That's it. So let's start with it, bro. Yeah. Liquid seasoning. Rosemary and lemon. Mix that all in, bro. Granulated garlic powder, brother. Some pepper. It's a bit raining right now, you know. It's a good ass weather for a cold ass beer for after this. All while waiting for this chicken to cook down. Good, bro. I'm making sure it smells good, bro. Because when it smells good, it's supposed to taste good too. So smell what you cook. So you make sure you make that good ass food for your brothers and sisters, bro. Now let's get it. Now these sauce with this chicken, put this good ass grease out here. Make sure you got all the juice out here, bro. Inside the bird, outside the bird, on the sides of the bird. Make sure you give that bird a good massage, bro. I don't know why the hell I use this motherfucking brush in the first place. I'm not even gonna use it. This motherfucker don't, man, shit. Let me use my hands for this. You gotta make expert motherfucking muscles out here, bro. We're gonna sit this bird out here for maybe an hour and a half. Let this motherfucker sit. Then later on, we're gonna put that in a roaster, you know what I'm saying? Bago pala natin ituhog yung manok, kailangan muna natin siyang i-fashion ng sobrang solid para hindi siya lilipad-lipad sa loob ng oven natin. Nakita mo tong isang tipak ng balat na yan. Papasok natin yan dito sa loob. Yan. Dito na yung sisiksik na yan dyan. Pasok na yan dyan sa loob. Para yung balat na yan, pag nag-render yan, syempre nasa oven yung balat na yan, magre-render. Yung imbes na yung juices matatapon sa labas ng manok, yung mangyayari dyan, papasok pa siya sa loob ng manok. Ayan. Tapos yung mga pakpak, baliin mo. Yan. Mararamdaman mo yun, nag-pop. Pasok mo rin dyan. Ayaw yata mapasok mo ito. Yun, napasok mo na yung pakpak ngayon. Eh di nakasecure na ngayon yung pakpak mo. Ngayon, yung gagawin mo naman dito sa mga paano yan, para hindi lilipad-lipad yan, is to gagawan mo na konting butas dito sa gilid. Konti lang naman, para lang, alam mo yun. Yan, sa gilid yan. Yan o, kita mo yan. Lagyan mo ng konting butas dyan. Tapos pasok mo yung manok dito. Ay, yung paapala niya. The drumstick. Puta na. Malaban na. Doon. Eh di ngayon, nakatali na yung paa mo. Ito naman. Gawin natin dito naman para ano. Kaya pa natin yung butas natin. Doon. Hindi ngayon, yung manok mo, secured na. Diba? Pag naluto yan, there's gonna be a tight ass chicken. Eh, itong mahabang ano na to, panusok. Itong tutusok natin dito ngayon sa manok natin. Puta, dito pala lalabas to. So may mga ano natin. Kailangan secure natin yung manok na yan. At least yun. Tutusok mo. Ikot mo yan. Ay, kupang. Kung may manok mo, papasok mo ngayon sa manok mo. Kung may injection ka, mas maganda kunin mo yung injection ng daddy mo eh. Sabay gamitin mo yun. Lagay mo dun sa mga thigh part ng manok para talagang papasok yung malupit na seasoning mo dun sa loob ng manok na yan. Without further ado, let's put this motherfucking chicken in the oven, brother. We got the oven preheated already, brother. We about to cook this chicken out here. 170, 1 hour and 15 minutes uncovered inside your goddamn oven, brother. And after that, you're gonna make a good ass motherfucking chicken out of it. Rotisserie. Man, it works. Damn, okay. Okay, boy. You know what it is, man. I'm so excited. Damn, you can't lift the motherfucking chicken that's on, boy. Man, let me have one of this bombing motherfucking machines inside my kitchen soon. See how that motherfucker moves, bro? Bam. See that shit? You see that motherfucker drippings? Go back and rub that motherfucker iron, boy. Shit. Now let's wait for a little bit, cause this motherfucker ain't done yet. Boil down this motherfucking big intestine, brother, from the pork. After it boiled down, it's gonna set for a little bit out here in the wild, dry up a little bit. When it's dried up, when it's cold ready, we gonna be deep frying this motherfucker out here in the pan, bro. Oh, there we go. There shall be light, brother, from the man of the house. See that? Put some motherfucking water in your fingertips. Splash that in the oil. If that oil act violently in your ass, brother, that means it's ready to fry up some good, brother. Pork bulaklak, brother. You gonna take that out of heat already. Make sure you got that suka laying around with that chili, calamansi, and that good, motherfucker, whatever you put in that motherfucking sauce of yours out there in your house. That's it. You're gonna eat this motherfucker with some beer, and you're good to go. Pork flour's done. Some salt. And it should be okay, brother. Crazy, huh? Don't try this at home, kids. Let me find the best spot out here. Christ, yeah. Looks so motherfucking good, bro. See that steam coming out through that shit. Cheers to that, but so good. So good.